guys, welcome back. In the previous video, I talked about how to use percentages in the financial situations. In today's video, I'm going to show you another very important concept in consumer arithmetic: simple interest. When money is lent by a bank, whoever borrows the money normally makes a payment called interest. The reason that we pay interest when we lend money because the person that provides money can no longer use that money when he lends it to somebody else. So he needs some extra payments to make up for the inconvenience. The amount of interest paid depends on the principal, which is the amount of money borrowed. It also depends on the rate, which is the percentage of the interest of the whole principal, and the time for which the money is borrowed. Conversely, if a person invests money in a bank or elsewhere, the bank pays the person interest because the bank uses the money to finance its own investments. In simple interest transactions, interest is only paid on the original amount borrowed. So basically, the formula of simple interest is I equals to PRT. Interest equals to principal times rate times time. Now let me show you an example question. Find the simple interest on $8,000 for 8 years at 9.5% per annum. In order to find the interest, we first need to find the principal, rate, and the time. From this question, we can see that 8,000 is the principal, the rate is 9.5, and the time is 8 years. So we can times it together, equals to 8,000 times 9.5% times 8 equals to 8,000 times 0.095 times 8 equals to $60,080. Thus, the simple interest after 8 years is $60,080. Okay, now you know how we can find the simple interest. Let me show you another question. Here's the question. Jessie borrows $3,000 from her parents to buy a car. They agree that she should only pay simple interest. 5 years later, she pays them back $3,600, which includes simple interest on the loan. What was the interest rate? In this question, it asks us to find the interest rate instead of the simple interest. Therefore, we need to use the formula conversely. From the question, we know that the total interest paid was $600 because she paid back $3,600 and she borrows $3,000. 3,600 minus 3,000 is 600. So the total interest paid is 600. Let's go back to the formula. We know that the formula I equals to PRT. The only thing that we don't know is the R, so we can replace anything that we know, which is 600 equals to 3,000 times R times 5. 600 equals to 15,000 times R. R equals to 600 over 15,000. Therefore, R equals to 4%. By using the formula conversely, we get that R equals to 4%. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.